For our first fold, I'm going to show you how to make the kite fold. On your handout, I've put together the QR code for this video and that you should be watching now, and then the directions and steps. So hopefully you have those in front of you, and I will walk you through. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper. This is your practice paper, by the way. This is not origami paper, it's just copy paper. I'm going to fold this in half, corner to corner. When you fold, you want to make sure that your folds are nice and crisp. So put some pressure on those folds so that you have a nice flat fold. I'm going to open this up, and I'm then going to fold to the center. So this what you see right here, this is your center fold. Okay, this is the center fold, so you're going to fold this in. There's no fold here, it's just this part coming down and kind of laying on top. So you have no other fold to make. So you want to make sure that when this comes in and folds in the middle, that it is on the fold and not over the fold. So you want these two sides to come down and meet together. Again, making sure you have a nice flat surface. So that's it. That's all this one is. Okay, so that's your number one fold, your kite fold.